Microsoft Surface Laptop 3 in the 13-inch. If you have not made up your mind which one you want, whether it's the 13-inch, the 15-inch, or any other Windows laptop for that matter,
we will tell you today why this is the one. Today we are going to look at performance, configuration, colors, and why this 13-inch Microsoft Surface Laptop 3 is for you. And we do some awesome tech reviews and more, but mainly awesome tech reviews. And today is one of these days we're going to tell you why this is the one for you. Our Microsoft Surface Laptop 3 unit starts at $999 US. It ships with a quad-core 10th generation Intel Core i5, 8GB of RAM, 128GB of SSD storage. Intel Iris Plus graphics are included, and it ships with Windows 10 Home. The whole Surface lineup is upgradable to an i7 processor, 16GB of RAM, and 1TB of SSD storage.
We noticed not all configurations are available in all colors. Only the matte black Surface Laptop 3 will give you the top spec version of $2,300 US.
And as for the I/O, the Surface Laptop 3 has a single USB-A port, a single USB-C port, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and Microsoft Surface Connect charging port. This is the first year the laptop has included a USB-C port, which replaces the old mini display port on prior models.
A beautiful 13.5-inch Pixel Sense touch display with an aspect ratio of 3:2. You have seen the configuration and the ports on this beautiful laptop, and it is the design really that draws us in.
It is, and it is such a unique design, and Microsoft doesn't copy anybody. It is really a Surface laptop unique design, if you like.
As far as the Geekbench results, we tested with battery and high performance, and with the AC mode at the bottom.
Yeah, and if you look at the top result, which is the battery only mode, the single core results and multi-core results and the compute are really good. If you look at the 3889, that is actually a really good result. Moving on to the battery only mode and high performance mode at the same time, that is actually really good. If you look at that, 5,451 and 17,285 on the go, portable with you, computes 37,622. That is a really good result also. And we were really impressed with that. And once you plug it in, basically nothing changed. So you have the high performance results you will get on battery only mode, high performance, also when you plug it in. And we think that is actually a really good result. And you guys know it has a USB-C port for the very first time. And the USB-C port itself is not just here for accessories, it's also here for charging. Yes, you can charge your battery on this with a USB-C connector. And we have a MacBook Pro charger that is about 87 watt, and it took 1.5 hours-ish to charge it from 0 to 100%.
And with the proprietary Microsoft charger, which has 65 watts, we had similar results.
In terms of battery life, we came to 8 hours for kind of light to medium usage. Microsoft claims for the Surface Laptop 3 13-inch to have up to 11.5 hours. We didn't come to that. It was really snappy and really fast though. We have to say that. And in heavy usage, we come to 6 hours. But it is still really good, because how many times will you do video editing on this device really?
The Microsoft Laptop Surface 3 is a on-the-go Ultrabook. We tested it on gaming, but it's really for light gaming and on the go.
Yeah, so the FPS comes in at, if you put it in medium, you may reach to 30 FPS. We put it on low settings. Quality is very choppy then, but you may be able to reach a bit higher performance with the FPS. But really, as Tony said, it is really a on-the-go portable Ultrabook, really cool one, we believe, and light gaming, yes, it is possible. As for the processor and graphic card, everything is expected. And don't be put off by the very poor for the graphic card. That's just an overall assessment of the graphic card. It's not the most powerful graphic card, that's why it says very poor, but it is in line with expectations for exactly that component in the Surface 3 laptop. And the Intel Core i5 really blows it out of the water. In terms of SSD and RAM, above expectations for both the battery only mode and the plugged in mode, and that is really cool.
So you are probably wondering why you would choose this one over the 15-inch, and we have done some really in-depth testing of the AMD Ryzen 5, and that's available in our video.
Yeah. So there were some really pretty conclusive results coming up. We tested the 13-inch versus the 15-inch Intel Core i5 versus AMD Ryzen 5 with the Vega 9 graphics, and you should really check that out. But overall, this is an awesome device. We can highly recommend that. It is not sponsored by anyone. Microsoft probably doesn't know us, but we can really tell you guys, if you get one, this is the one to get. The only thing I would change personally is the color. I'm not the biggest fan of the Alcantara. You may well be. I would choose the matte black color because you don't have the Alcantara with them.
But in short, it is a super snappy, fast device.
Yep.
It's quick to put in any bag, it's light, and you can use it on the go for anything really that you need.
Yeah, especially with the instant on mode that Microsoft has really improved. It is more than just an Ultrabook. Open the lid, there you go.
If you still have any questions left unanswered, make sure you put them in the comments below and we will try to address them for you.
Yes, give us a huge like because we stayed up for all night last night again just to give you that comparison and the conclusion. Jens here from Also Space.
Tony the Card Geek.
Thank you for watching. Peace out.
Who needs logic? How is this allowed?